Hey, Dr. Sater.
Hey,
When people with migraines have a visual aura, what kind of things do they see?
about one third of patients with migraine have what we call migraine with aura. 90% will have a visual aura. The most common thing that they see is zigzag lines, right? So that's in about 60% of people who have a visual aura. Blurry vision is also very common. Blind spots, which we call scotomas, right? So these are just kind of dark spots in the visual field. And it could be one spot or it could be multiple different small dark spots in the visual field. So that is about 50% as well. And then you have bright dots. Again, it could be just one bright spot or it could be multiple bright spots. About 40% of people who have a visual aura will experience those. And then you have shimmering, that can be in about 30% of patients. And then you have less common visual phenomena. So less than 10% of patients will experience those, but they're kind of interesting and less talked about. So one of them is called palinopsia, which is basically like a shadow. So it's almost like an object lingers in the visual field even after it's gone. And then another one is visual snow, which is basically like static white noise, essentially. And then the next one is called metamorphopsias, but essentially it means distortions. It could be sometimes seeing objects smaller than they are or bigger than they are. Also, an interesting one that's included in this category is called the Alice in Wonderland syndrome, where basically you have distortions in the sizes within the same picture. And then finally, you also have tunnel vision in less than 10% of patients.